Are you new to trading or maybe struggling with your current trading? Maybe you're wondering if it's possible to trade at all with a small account or even while working a full-time job. I've actually been in the trading industry for over a decade now, and I started learning how to swing trade stock options while I was still working a full-time job as an engineer. And now today, years later, I now teach others how to analyze charts, to find trade setups, how to choose the best strategies to trade, and how to become more independent traders. How? Well, that's what we cover in this series. Ways to help you start trading with confidence, trading with purpose, and trading with insight. Welcome back to our Trading with Insight series, right? This is where we're helping new traders, struggling traders, anyone who's interested in trading and trying to get some more insight. We're here to help you get a bit more insight to be more consistent traders, more confident traders, and then overall just trading with a purpose. So I am Deneen James. I'm a stock options analyst, and that's really my passion now. I traded for a while, and now my focus is analyzing and teaching other people how to trade options the way we were. So question number 5 for today. Do I need to use technical analysis? So technical analysis, for those of you who aren't aware, technical analysis is basically just looking at your charts and gaining some analysis based off of the technicals in the chart. So what is the chart doing? Is it moving up? Is it coming into a specific level of resistance or support? Do you see the market trending in a certain way? Are you seeing blockades here or opportunities there? So basically it's just looking at the charts and seeing what your indicators, seeing what the chart is basically telling you to do. Now, this is an interesting question. Do I need to use technical analysis? So I believe, in my opinion, technical analysis has become a much bigger deal in the trading industry than it really needs to be. Not that it's bad, because I like technical analysis and I use it, but I think it's a bigger deal than it actually needs to be. And I think it's really more amongst some of the new traders. So especially when it comes to trading options, do you really need 8 different moving averages or 6 different momentum indicators or 7 volume indicators or 15 trend lines or 20 different levels of support or resistance? And do you really need all this stuff? Absolutely not. You absolutely do not need all of these different indicators in order to perform your technical analysis. So while technical analysis can be helpful, because I do believe it is, I believe it's better that you use it in moderation, right? So that cheesy cliche, you may have heard it in the trading world, really, it's analysis paralysis. Trust me, it is a real thing. I've been there. I've been there many, many times when I first started. Analysis paralysis. You can literally analyze your charts to the point that you're too paralyzed to trade because you have 5 indicators telling you that the stock is going to go up. And then you have another 5 indicators that are showing you that the stock is likely going to go down. And then maybe you have 5 more indicators that are telling you the stock is going to move sideways. And then you have 5 more indicators that are just inconclusive. They're not really giving you information. So how are you supposed to trade when you have so many inconsistencies in your technical analysis? It makes it extremely difficult. So again, it's great, but when used in moderation. So I've actually found that one of the best ways to trade while using technical analysis, I think one of the best ways is to use your technical analysis, but use it without looking at your charts so much. And in some cases, you don't have to look at your charts at all. And what this does is it allows you to make strategic, data-driven decisions instead of decisions based off of your gut feeling, based off of what you're seeing and feeling. You can just make more strategic, data-driven decisions. So how do you actually do that? How do you trade? How do you use technical analysis without even looking at your charts? So what we do is we use a process that I've developed myself, and I call it insight trading, right? Trading with insight. So all of the technical analysis that's involved in my process is automatically combined to calculate a win rate for the strategies that we trade. So again, all of the technical analysis that's involved in my trading process, right? My insight trading process, all of the technical analysis that we use, it's just automatically combined together. And what it does is it just calculates a win rate for each strategy that we trade. That's it. So the win rate that's calculated, that is our insight. That is what we trade with. That's literally all of the technical analysis that we need to trade highly successful and profitable trade strategies. We just need our win rates, right? And the higher the win rate, the higher the chance of profiting on that trade. So if you're interested in learning a little bit more about how we use our insight trading process, and really for super, super simple technical analysis, right? We really don't even have to look at our charts if we don't want to. You can check it out over at theneantrades.com. Just check out our training, and it'll show you all about what it is that we do, the process that we use. You'll get all of our chart indicators, chart layouts. You'll get our full watch list of stocks that we like to trade these strategies on. But really, you're just going to get the full package, our full system there. So if that's something you're interested in, again, check that out at theneantrades.com. So that wraps up this episode. Again, do I need to use technical analysis? Completely up to you. I personally recommend that you do use it. But use it in moderation. And if there's a way for you to actually use technical analysis without actually looking at your charts as much, I think that's going to be best too, because it's going to take some of your opinions and some of your emotions out of your trading and allow you to make some more data-driven and strategic trade decisions. So that wraps up this episode, and I'll see you guys in the next one.